Hello there. Thank you for stopping by to watch another video from Atlas Options. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install your custom indicators on MetaTrader 4 platform. I will also explain how to install indicators using a template, and how to use preset files. Are you ready? Let's start. We assume that your MT4 terminal is already installed. To start with, I would like to draw your attention to how indicator file looks like. Indicator file can be identified by the extension. All indicators have extension EX4. You can also get indicators which look like this. These are MQL4 source files. Source files contain codes and are used by coders who develop these indicators. Coders usually keep source files to themselves, because it's their property. But sometimes they get released and you can edit the code if you know how to. Hope it's clear. Now, let's simulate a situation. For example, you got an indicator in a compressed zip file, and you want to install this indicator. You find the file with EX4 extension. Then, in MT4 terminal you go to File, Open Data folder. Then, you go to MQL4 folder, and find folder indicators. All you need to do then is to drag and drop indicator file from zip to folder indicators. I already have this indicator in this folder and the system asks me if I want to replace this file. I press yes. So the indicator is now in this folder, where it should be. Then you restart the terminal. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure you've done so. And don't forget to press the bell icon, so you are alerted when we publish a new useful video. The terminal is reloaded. There are a few ways to install this indicator on a chart. First one, you go to Insert, Indicators, Custom, you find your indicator in this list, click on it and it appears on the chart. The second way to install indicator is to press Navigator. You find the indicator in the list. If you have many indicators, like I have, you click on any indicator once, and then start typing its file name using a keyboard. Then, you can either right-click on it and go attach to a chart, or simply drag and drop it onto a chart. The indicator settings window will pop up and you press OK. The indicator gets installed on a chart. Hope it's clear, but if you have any questions so far please ask in comments under this video. There may be instances when a trading system or strategy comprises more than one indicator. In this case a template file may be quite handy. For example, FAS indicator, which was recently featured on the channel. It was provided in a zip file with two folders inside: Indicators and Template. So, how to install indicators using a template? You follow similar procedure. You go File, Open Data folder, MQL4 folder, Indicators. You select both indicators and drag and drop them to folder Indicators. I already have them there, so I just go Replace. Then you go to Template folder and zip file and find a template. A template file should be copied to folder Templates in MT4 data folder. Simply drag and drop it to that folder. Then you should restart your terminal. When the terminal is reloaded you go Chart, Template. Find your template in the list and click on it. This is one of the ways. If you won't find it in the list for some reason, then go Chart, Template, Load Template. A window will open. Click on any template and start typing your template's name using a keyboard. By the way, template files can be easily identified by extension TPL. You find your template and you go Open. Here you are. Both indicators got installed on your chart, with settings that were saved into this particular template. Templates are useful when you are moving indicators between terminals, for instance. Use a template and you won't need to repeatedly adjust settings for each indicator when you move it to another platform. Also, there may be instances when you need to save your indicator settings into a separate file, or share these settings with your friend. For that purpose, a preset file can be used. To create a preset file, go to Indicator Settings. Here, you change your settings as you wish. Then you want to save these particular settings into a file. You go Save. Name your preset file. All preset files have extension SET. You click Save, and your preset file is saved. Now, where can you find this file? Similarly, you go File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Presets. And you find your preset file there. When you want to load settings from preset file to your indicator, go to Indicators again. Open Settings, and press Load. Find your preset file and go Open. Settings from preset file will apply. Hope you've learned something new today from this video. If you have any questions, please ask. That's it for now. See you soon.